Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. TagSpaces package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via downloading its package by running the following command. When download is completed, install TagSpaces by running the next command. Now you can search in the system search bar by typing TagSpace or by icon. TagSpace will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.